Yo, this is Jamaican cat. I'm here to talk about the incident that happened in Miami. That one police that put a 90-year-old boy in the shower with running water and tried to taser him. Then, Impossible said that was good interrogation and released the police. Well, Jamaican cat come to say, bonfire upon all Babylonian them. So what do you people think? Leave Jamaican cat a comment in the box and let me know what you think about the incident. Well, Jamaican cat got to say this to him. Go suck your mother, police boy. Go suck your granny and your auntie. Fuck off. Jamaican cat gone.